Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of deleting your ConvertKit account. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Begin by logging into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, click on your name or profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Help option. This will take you to the support section where you can find assistance for various inquiries. In the Help section, look for the Messages option and click on it. This area is where you can submit specific questions or requests. You will see several options related to different topics. Click on I have a billing question to proceed with billing-related inquiries. In the message box that appears, type Delete my account. This clearly communicates your intention to the support team. ConvertKit will then ask whether you want to remove data from your account or if you want to cancel your account entirely. Select the option that says Cancel your account. After making your selection, your message will be sent to ConvertKit's legal team for review. They will take the necessary steps to process your request. Confirmation. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the status of your account cancellation soon after. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the process to delete your ConvertKit account. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.